guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing the New Rage Cycles tucked Fender Eliminator kit on Noah's CBR10000. So what we've already done is we've taken both the front seat cover and what you call a rear seat cover, if it even is a rear seat. After that, what do we do, good sir?
Next step is going to be to take off
pretty much the whole tail.
Yeah, the whole tail.
To take off the tail,
start with these 4 bolts right here.
You take off those ones, those 4. Next step after this, it looks like we just take out those 2 Allen bolt heads, correct?
Correct.
So then after you get these 2 Allen head bolts out, you come down to these lovely like plastic screw things that Honda is known for putting on everything. Where we were having trouble was where it kind of slants down, but they made it pretty easy. Once you get this back half unclipped, you just pull the whole plastic piece back and it pops right up. And then the next step, pretty simple, just take these 4 out.
Yep.
All right, so for now we're just taking these 2 screws off, and then so then after that, after you get these 2 screws out on each side, you come after these 2 screws right there, and then that screw and that screw. So then after you get out all the screws up here, you're gonna come underneath, and which screws are they? These 2. That side.
Oh, I see. It's connected down here too.
Oh, is it?
Very well.
There we go. I might have to unclip down here or something. There it is. Take these 2 out from each side, and then so for these orange and blue ones, if you guys can see, I think we would just pull up. You want to pull that blue one out. Oh, nice. Nice. Garbage. And after that, they give you this plate to put in there, you think?
Yeah, it'll go on the underside.
That's pretty simple. And just put the bolts we took back out, or we took out back in.
I gotta figure out which way it is.
So with this metal piece, you want the 2 like golden, what are those, like rivets or threads, whatever they are, towards the back, towards the tail light. So after you get done putting that bracket on, you want to install this black plastic piece on the bottom again, and then that starts the rebuild process. As you can see, Noah's putting those garbage plastics, what would you call them, plastic pop clip screw things?
Yeah.
Whatever you call them, but he's putting those back in. And after that black plastic piece goes in, you install the painted piece that whatever your color bike is back on. I want to start from the back here, Noah, since it seems like it clips into this hole and then the rest fits up. There you go. And it just goes up from there. So you just pop these sliding things in. There you go, and then it should slide. Oh, this little bastard. There it goes.
I got these 2 black screws right.
After you get done fumbling with this whole thing, to make sure it won't go anywhere, you put which screws in?
Put these little black screws in.
What?
How's that wire gonna get in?
Okay, so we made the mistake. We did put this fairing on too early. After you install this black plastic piece, you will want to install your plate mount. So this was kind of a pain in the ass to route. To route the wires for the turn signals, you want to drop that down a little. You route the left one through there, right one through that hole, and then the license plate wire through kind of like this gap right here in the tail fin. So after you got all that put up, you just want to put in the fairing and somehow squeeze it in there. There it goes. Looks like you just kind of slide it in.
Shit out of it though.
We can always loosen the tail kit. Oh, never mind.
Son of a...
So we had a little correction to install this red fairing piece. You wanted to completely drop the plate and blinkers down, install that, and then you can bring these up, tighten it down. And as you can see, Noah is just putting the touches on this bottom fairing. So then after you get this bottom on, you just install the seat lock bracket back on. And then after you get that the lock, what is it, back seat lock bracket, whatever you call it, you just clip in the rear fairing. And as you can see, Noah's doing the finishing touches right now. The kit definitely tidies up the rear a lot. It makes it look really good. Better than that freaking dolphin tail. Other than trying to figure out this whole thing, it was a pretty easy install. Definitely recommend it if you want a clean look.